Eventsquid, software that thinks like you and works like 8 of you.
Hi everybody, it's Michael from Eventsquid. I am excited to introduce to you our new contact scanning app. That's right, it's available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store for Android, and it allows your attendees to scan other attendees' badges, the QR code on the badge, or the QR code on the attendee's phone, and in the process, get the attendees' email, text, and phone information. They can also take notes on the attendee and export the entire contact list to share with colleagues or just use themselves. So let's dig in to the contact scanning app. To configure your contact scanning app, head to the builder, click on Event Day, and then Configuration under Contact Scanning. There are 2 controls, and that's it. One will activate the scanning app, and the other one is an attendee authorization code that each attendee who wants to utilize the scanning app will have to enter into the app along with the event ID in order to make it work. I'll save my configuration and let's go to the app. For our example, I've got a few badges here from my test event, and on the right, I've got my phone. And I will open the contact scanning app, and the first screen that I'll see will prompt me to enter the event ID and the authorization code. So we'll begin with 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure, nope, that's not the right one. 2, 5, 4, 6, and I'm sure some of your users will get into trouble, but they have to enter the right credentials. And you can help them by sending out a text message or an email before the event, instructing them on the event ID and the authorization code. So my code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will authorize. And now I am ready to scan the badges. I'm going to scan Andy Tyrone first. On the results screen, you'll see I have Andy along with some other people that I've scanned. Now, the first icon is the communication icon, and this allows me to send Andy a text message, call Andy, or email Andy based on the information that Andy provided during registration. And it's important to note that tapping each one of these icons will bring the user into their normal modes of communication on their device. We don't try to keep the attendee within our app in order for them to communicate with other people that they've connected with. We want them to use their normal modes of communication, text, call, and email, so that after the event, connecting with that person is easy. The other icon, the green pencil, allows me to take notes about Andy. Andy is great. I have to say that because he's one of our developers. Now I'm done. It'll save the notes and we'll go back. When I'm ready, I can export the list to any email address I want. And this allows me to open up the data in an Excel spreadsheet or use it in any other way. We do this to allow flexibility in sharing the list, especially if your attendees are working for a vendor who wants a collective list sent to a central location. And of course, the data is here for the actual person behind the scanning so that they can access these contacts whenever they need. To get back to the scanning area, you just tap the QR code and go for another scan. It's that easy. We hope you enjoy the contact scanning app from Eventsquid.
Eventsquid, software that thinks like you and works like 8 of you.